Hi everyone and welcome to the Roving Balys. It's Lydia here. Chris and I are aboard the Disney Wonder while it's sailing around Australia and New Zealand. Like every true Disney fan, we love exploring the shops whenever we visit a Disney park, or in this case, a Disney cruise, so we can see what new and different merchandise is available. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the merchandise on sale aboard the Disney Wonder during its Australian cruises, and we've found some fun surprises, including items you can only get on these down under sailings. So why don't you join us and let's see what treasures we can find.
The onboard gift shops remain closed while the ship is in port, but once we're out on the open ocean, they're open for business. Let's take a look inside.
It's pirate night tonight.
Yeah.
All the pirate gear's out. Look at that, how cute. Stitch. It's so cute.
It's one of those Loungefly bags that we've all got.
Yay. It's actually a nice little beach towel. And I didn't expect to find anything on sale. It's actually on sale.
Oh.
$20.99, that's good.
Has it got a year on it or something like that? It's at 2024. We're about to go into 2025.
Possibly. Oh no, it is 2-4.
2-4.
That's why.
Yep.
Good spotting.
We've only got one more year of, one more day of 2024. So.
Oh, I like that.
That is a nice colour.
That's nice.
That's your colour.
That is. That wasn't there yesterday.
No.
That's a new one. Isn't that lovely?
Yeah.
I think I might need that. That's a t-shirt.
Oh, it's a t-shirt.
Which that's quite nice too, isn't it? With some, I like that. That one's $34.99.
Okay.
And that, I think this must be a 2025 style.
Right.
Because it's the 30th of December.
Yes.
They're getting out their new merch for 2025. This was definitely not here yesterday. Actually, if you turn around, they're on sale, 2024.
Oh yes, it's all 40% off.
Yes.
2024 dated items. And so this is the new range. So we're here for the first day of the new range.
Looks like
obviously.
it. Looks like it. That's cute. They've got all your swimmers in case you forget. Oh, these are on sale too.
That's a nice one.
So that's not 2024, but it's $14.99 instead of $35.
Okay. That one's, if you like red shirts. What's that pouch?
That wasn't there before either. No,
it's just a
crease.
fold, the crease.
But that's very much the ship, isn't it? So that's kind of cool.
If you like red, I don't know if I suit red,
you
but
suit. Red? Maybe not. This is kind of cool too. I like that one. That's very funky. Yeah. If you forget your shoes, you can some little slides.
You've got all your Disney Mickey Crocs.
They don't make my size.
Oh.
I want some. I don't think my feet will fit on them. No, they light up. Oh my goodness! Watch this, ready? Oh, they don't make them in Lydia's size.
No, Lydia's got flippers. They don't make them in flipper size. But look up the top.
Wonder if there's any I could possibly fit in. Oh yeah, the little towel animals.
Towel animals with Sunnies.
They're very cute.
That's pretty cool.
That's my type of towel folding. Ready-made. So you've got all your different little ears, the sailing ears, sailing mini, and it's got like a little...
a lot of bling on those.
A little, what do you call it, anchor?
Oh yeah.
I kind of like these ones because they match my shirt. Let's have a look. Oh.
Well, they do match your shirt.
Oh, they're kind of nice.
The one that you're about to buy. How much are they?
$44.99.
Okay. Is that a pirate hat?
This is for pirate night. Let's have a look.
I couldn't wear that. Okay. It's too blingy for a guy, I think. Isn't it? That's more cute. A girl's.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I like that one. Oh. The pirate's night, but I'll be wearing a bandana. So.
Yes. I think I've got a bandana. So they've got mummy swimmers.
Oh yeah, and matching
baby swimmers and matching dad swimmers. So you can the whole family can be kitted out in.
All kitted out in the same material.
That's pretty cool.
Here's some mugs.
All the mugs.
Cups.
That's cute for pirate night.
Pirate night, pirate stitch.
It's the cruise line, and let's tell you how much they are. $16.99.
$16.99 US dollars.
Yeah. It's about 300 Australian dollars. Only joking.
No.
It's just a lot because our exchange rate's not
Yeah,
great.
everything on the ship is in US dollars. We'll have to get a Christmas decoration,
We
I
bought
think.
that. We bought that one.
Oh, we bought that one?
Yep.
Oh, we've already been through.
Actually, this is really cute too. So that's the cruise ship, and then they've got a little Christmas tree, Mickey and Minnie
okay.
on the other side. I like that. I don't know if it's got the year. No,
How much is that one?
that's quite cute. He is $34.99.
$34.99. So it's over.
So what would that be?
That's over $50 Australian.
Over 50 Australian dollars. Ooh.
Careful, buddy.
So I really... Oh, these are on sale. They're $15.
Happy holidays.
Yeah, I really like this. I wonder if these are on sale. I might have to see. Because they're a Christmas. I really like these. So they've got like a little resting
What is
plate.
it?
So it's a Cheshire Cat. It's a Christmas cup mug.
Yep.
And then it's got a little resting plate.
Oh, so it's like a coaster.
Like a coaster.
Okay.
Cup with a coaster, but they're really cute. They're $30.
Okay.
All right, let's have a look at the pins.
Oh, we've got some pins.
Some really cool pins for Pirate Night. This is all the pirate pins.
Oh, yeah.
And then Disney Wonder pins. Then they've got character ones. Oh, these are all
They're all cruise related
ones, yeah.
ones, aren't they?
they're really cool. There's the prices. The
Okay.
different ones are different prices. This one I like because it spins. Ready? It's an interactive one.
Okay.
It kind of spins around there like that. That's kind of cute.
Oh, here's some cruise limited edition ones.
Oh, yeah, they're cute.
This is all 5 cruise
All the
ships.
different ships, and
But
they're
there's
gonna
about to be
have
7
more.
cruise
There
ships.
is? Yeah.
This
So you won't be
in
able to get
2025. So
that 5 again because it'll go up to 7.
Yeah.
soon. This is a pin set, so you must be able to trade with this set. I don't know how much. There we go, $35 to start your trading.
okay. Some more
Aussie
shirts. There's-
style. They're very Aussie style shirt.
It's polyester, is it? It's
Yeah. Not a fan of
not a
that
fan.
material.
Where's that one that I liked? The Australian Spirit jersey.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, here's.
This one's
I really
nice.
like the colour.
The back of that is pretty cool.
It
It's
is,
got all
with
your
the
Australian
kangaroos
animals.
and koalas, and there's a kiwi, so it's for New Zealanders as well.
Ah, of course.
It's got the fern leaf from New Zealand,
Of course, of course.
so it's Australian New Zealand Spirit jersey.
Look.
More pirate stuff. There's Pirate Stitch
Yeah, it's cool.
in the bag again.
Oh, look at this. Look at the little cute little outfit. Got no little people to buy things for now. I do like these, Chip and Dale. They're just so cute. Yeah, little sailor Chip and Dale. Cruise cards. Oh, they're cute. Actually, they're
Pack
really
of cards. That is cool. I'm going to get a pack
cool. Yeah,
of
I
those.
think we need some of them. I just thought the same thing.
They would be good presents as well.
Actually, they would. Or everyone loves That's Disney That's kind of cute. It's
Game
a big
of
box,
Life.
so
Disney edition.
I like that. I thought that was good. But then the kids said they didn't want to play that anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what's Battleship? Show me the Battleship. Disney Battleship.
That'd be pretty cool.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
That would be fun.
That would be good. Especially on family holidays, we always played board games with the kids when they were little, so it might be a good thing to get one of those and play the games with them. If we ever have time on this ship, there's so much to
I
do.
think we'll have time. That's the thing, I think we run out of time.
All right, there's another shop across the way. Let's go and have a look at that one.
That's nice.
There's another.
What's this
There's
thing?
another ears there.
Oh yeah, they're nice. They're a classic sort of ear, aren't
They
they?
look like the cruise line,
Yeah, that's pretty.
official cruise line ears, it looks like. Oh, something's happening outside. Captain Jack Sparrow is outside, I think.
It's a good time to do this.
Yeah. Are they bath gowns? Some kind
It's
of
like
robe?
a long cardigan.
Okay.
which I kind of like. And it's kind of handy in here because it's freezing. It's so cold through the ship. So you do
I
need...
think that's a good tip when you come on
Yeah.
board a cruise
Bring
line in general,
layers.
but definitely this one, that even though it might be hot outside with the air conditioning, it's good to bring a jumper with you.
Definitely. Long pants and jumpers. Cardigan. So I think it's a cardigan.
Oh, look at that luggage.
I love this. This is nice. Little backpack. Purse. Cute little bag. I'll tell you how much it is. Let's have a look. It is $90.
Okay, for a little bag. What's the big suitcase? Has that got a price on it?
Okay, let's have a look. Okay. $199.
Okay.
That's not bad.
That's not terrible.
That's I've seen worse.
Yeah.
And this one here is $125.
All right.
That's like a lady's tote sort of thing.
And a little backpack
Yeah,
with Minnie and
I do like that.
Captain
Oh,
Minnie,
it's actually-
Captain Mickey.
I actually really like this. It's just a nice little... Isn't that cute? That's $65.
Okay.
Got a wind cheater. This is actually quite nice. It's like a sailor top.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And
These are Tommy
Bahamas. They're
shirts.
a joint collaboration with Mickey and Minnie.
Right, we have
Not
got
Mickey and Minnie, with Disney.
we've got Tommy
We have got
Bahamas
some. We do.
Shirts like this with subtle
Mickeys
Mickey
and
references on
Minnies.
there. We might wear those. Oh,
Bit later
not
on.
tonight because it's pirate night, but maybe tomorrow night for New Year's.
That's your colour.
Oh, that's
And
like
that's
a
a
mint
nice one.
colour. That's quite nice,
Oh,
isn't
I like
it?
that. You might have to try that on. Let's see. That's
Yeah.
nice, honey.
How much is that?
That one isn't too bad. It's still bad, but it's not too bad. 118.
108?
18.
18.
That one's 176, I think.
Okay. 176.
158. 158, sorry.
158, okay.
And 118.
158. So what's that? It's about 230 Australian dollars? Something like that.
I think that's a little short. Let's keep walking. Jammies. Little sailor cap. That's quite nice.
That's a nice sailor cap,
It
actually.
is. I should get that from my dad. That's a nice. That's another little one. That's quite subtle.
Yep. Here's some jewellery. What are they? Oh, these are the Disney Pandora things
Pandoras.
that our daughter collects.
What's that one?
That is very blingy.
That is
that is
$39.99.
nice.
I do like that.
That's my favourite one, I think.
That's nice, isn't it?
That would look really good on you.
White's dangerous though. Mind you, I've got white on. And red's nice too.
Yeah.
Actually, that would be nice for Bella.
Yeah, that's nice. The little pot plants.
Yeah. One might be coming home with us, I think.
Oh, really?
Yep. These are cute little Christmas decorations.
Oh, yeah.
I like them.
They're the Disney Wonder themed ones.
And they are $26.99.
Okay.
Oh, this is what I saw. I saw someone had one of these on yesterday. They look really nice. They're classy, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's a classic Wonder backpack. You can get the matching ears. So you got the matching backpack and
They're
ears.
Disney Wonder ears.
They're nice, aren't they?
That's a nice colour too.
They're really nice. They are $44.99 as well.
Nice
Rose gold.
Rose gold ones.
They got
Those
some
gold bags.
pet bandana
You can
cute.
match your puppy dog
with your shirt.
with a shirt and scarf.
Another hat. Another.
Disney Wonder. They're $79.99 those shirts. That wasn't a Spirit jersey either, that was just a long sleeve t-shirt.
That's good, Captain. Captain of the ship. Where magic meets the sea. That's nice.
The Golden
There's a little
Mickeys.
shop section.
That's the stage show we saw last night, was the Golden Mickeys.
Oh yeah.
Like a Academy Awards show.
So you got all your essentials that you need.
Everything for your stomach, your
Seasickness.
everything you need from a chemist.
Yeah, pretty much.
Awesome. That's a good idea, having some goggles for the kids for the swimming pool.
And clear eyes. For getting chlorine in your
Yeah,
eyes.
that's right.
Nappies.
Nappy wipes.
Shaving cream.
All your baby stuff. So your essential medicines
Oh yeah, no.
and your essential toiletries and baby items.
Got everything you need. Pretty much.
Now, Lydia, would you like to have a reusable bag?
If we keep shopping, we might need the bigger size, but for now we'll go the small. We may need to upgrade later on. We keep buying stuff.
We have plenty of these, right?
Thank you so much.
Have a
Thank you.
great
You
evening.
too. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for joining us as we shopped aboard the Disney Wonder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave us a comment to let us know if you'd like to see more in-depth shopping adventures in our future travel vlogs. We hope that you'll come roving with us again soon. Bye for now.